Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be going through some of those boxes from that recent estate. Let's see what we got. Alright, no idea what's in this one. Let's get right into it. Now that that box is back and packed up, we'll move it out of the way and get on to another one. This one looks like more of the same. This one's got some weight though. Let's keep going through these boxes. Who knows? This one looks interesting. We'll do this one. Got another one over there. This one's gonna looks like some Brimfield stuff, maybe. Go through this big tote. Don't know what's in this either. Okay, we got some older bottles. Pretty cool. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. A little tiny Etch-a-Sketch. A little clock. Whole collection of milk of magnesia, right? Yeah, another bigger one. well. It's kind of cool. It does say Springfield, Mass on it. Union Ink Company, Springfield, Mass. Listen, if we make it to 1,000 subscribers, I'll try it. How's that sound? What's our goal? We'll put it up on the shelf of shame. Let's see, like, this is nice. Where is this stuff? We got a nice Hall tea kettle. Hopefully the top's in here. Hopefully this is the top, maybe? Are we gonna get lucky? Is it gonna be here? It is. It's a genie lamp tea kettle. Pretty cool. Not bad condition. I don't see any chips or breaks. Cool. This one here that says glass fruit basket, chicken, bunny teapot, butter churns, and rooster clock. I have a feeling this is not going to be a good box, but we will check it out. if we can make it over there without breaking anything. We're gonna go through these totes right here. This is the bin of clothes, so we'll just kind of poke through it, see what we got in here, if there's anything great. I'm gonna bring this hummingbird feeder home to my mother. We got a nice lantern in here, some random tools and stuff, and some enamelware. This little like candy holder, candy dish thing. It's probably the last box of the day. that's going to be about it for today's video. I'll give you a little brief what we got left. We have this stack of boxes, and then this stack of boxes. So we got a little bit. We got another solid round of sorting to go through here.